How to organize your Outlook inbox for maximum efficiency. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Organizing your Outlook inbox can significantly boost productivity and reduce stress by making it easier to find important emails and manage tasks. Here are some of the troubleshoots or organizing ways that you can help to set up efficient Outlook inbox. First and foremost, open your Outlook and you will see an option on the left side panel in the view option, which is create new folder. So which means you can use folders and subfolders with different categories such as work, personal, projects or clients. Under this main categories, you can create subfolders to further organize emails. Likewise, you can also set up rules and filters using the settings. Go to view settings, then to general, and there are different options for accessibility, privacy, and data, and much more. Likewise, you can also utilize categories and color coding. Also use the feature of inbox which is called as focus, which is the feature to separate important emails from less important ones. You can also use the keyboard shortcut just as Ctrl plus Shift plus K to create a task and Ctrl plus E to open the search bar. Also make sure to archive or delete the unnecessary emails and regularly delete spam or irrelevant emails to keep your inbox clean. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.